Ventricular fibrillation. Definition: ventricular fibrillation, VF, is a life-threatening arrhythmia where the electrical signals in the heart become rapid and disorganized, leading to a failure of the ventricles to pump blood effectively. As a result, there is no blood flow to the body and brain, causing sudden cardiac arrest. Normal heart rhythm versus ventricular fibrillation. Normal rhythm, sinus rhythm, electrical impulses follow a coordinated path, SA node AV node bundle of his Purkinje fibers. This results in the proper contraction of both atria and ventricles, maintaining effective blood circulation. Ventricular fibrillation. Disorganized electrical signals in the ventricles prevent the heart from pumping blood. The heart quivers instead of contracting normally, leading to no effective blood flow. Causes of ventricular fibrillation. Heart disease. Most common cause of VF is underlying coronary artery disease. Myocardial infarction, heart attack, can cause scarring in the heart muscle, disrupting electrical impulses. Electrolyte imbalances, abnormal levels of potassium, magnesium, or calcium in the blood can affect the electrical conduction in the heart. Drugs and toxins, overuse of certain medications, such as antiarrhythmic drugs, or substances like cocaine can induce arrhythmias. Genetic conditions, inherited arrhythmias, such as long QT syndrome or Brugada syndrome, may predispose an individual to VF. Trauma, electric shock or blunt trauma to the chest can directly impact the heart's electrical system. Symptoms of ventricular fibrillation. Sudden collapse. Patients often fall unconscious within seconds due to a sudden lack of blood flow. Loss of pulse. No palpable pulse is felt during VF. Severe dizziness or fainting. Before collapse, the person might experience lightheadedness. Cardiac arrest. Lack of breathing and pulse due to no effective heart function. Diagnosis of ventricular fibrillation. Electrocardiogram. ECG. VF is characterized by rapid, erratic electrical activity on the ECG. The usual sinus rhythm pattern is completely absent. There are no P waves, QRS complexes, or T waves. The waveform is chaotic with no defined QRS complexes. Physical examination, lack of pulse, breathing, and consciousness are clinical signs of VF. Immediate assessment is critical to initiate CPR and defibrillation. Treatment of ventricular fibrillation. Immediate response, CPR, cardiopulmonary resuscitation. Start chest compressions immediately. The aim is to maintain blood flow to vital organs. Defibrillation, automated external defibrillator, AED and AED should be used as soon as possible to shock the heart and restore a normal rhythm. Defibrillation is the most effective treatment for VF and can immediately reverse the arrhythmia. Medications, antiarrhythmic drugs such as amiodarone or lidocaine are given to prevent recurrence of VF. Advanced care. After stabilization, patients are often transferred to intensive care for monitoring and further treatment. Post-resuscitation care. Measures include cooling therapy to reduce brain damage, cardiac monitoring, and medications to control arrhythmias. Prevention of ventricular fibrillation. Heart disease management. Control risk factors. Manage conditions like hypertension, high cholesterol, diabetes, and obesity. Aspirin therapy and statins may help prevent heart attacks and subsequent VF. Lifestyle modifications. Exercise regularly to improve cardiovascular health. Eat a heart-healthy diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats. Avoid smoking and limit alcohol consumption. Medications, beta blockers or ACE inhibitors may be prescribed to control heart rate and blood pressure. Antiarrhythmic drugs may be prescribed for those with high risk of VF. Implantable cardioverter defibrillator, ICD. An ICD is a small device that is surgically implanted to monitor the heart and automatically deliver shocks if VF occurs. It is used in individuals with a high risk of sudden cardiac arrest, example, survivors of VF or those with a history of heart disease. Outlook and prognosis. Survival rates. Immediate treatment significantly improves survival rates. For instance, early defibrillation can increase survival rates by up to 50 to 70%. Without defibrillation, survival rates drop rapidly after 4 to 6 minutes. Post-resuscitation care. Neurological outcomes can vary based on the time to defibrillation and post-resuscitation care. Some patients may suffer from brain damage due to a lack of oxygen during the VF event. Conclusion. Ventricular fibrillation is a critical, life-threatening arrhythmia that requires immediate action. Early defibrillation and CPR are crucial to improving survival outcomes. Prevention through managing heart disease risk factors and considering implantable devices for at-risk patients can significantly reduce the likelihood of VF.